Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Neeta Shenvi's house here in Duluth, Georgia. Here's an overview of her house and her slopes. Today I'm going to be removing a damaged shingle, which is this one. I'll be replacing it with a new shingle right there. I'm going to show the repairability of this roof. Here's a close-up shingle overview and shingle condition. You do have several areas of large granule loss, some missing shingles, and of course the wind damage scattered throughout. Here's the shingle we'll be removing today. As you can tell, damaged by wind. It is these three tabs. As you can tell, they're a little offset. You can see where the tab ends right here. Shingles are, well, I guess still sealed before the repair. Here's an overview of the shingles before we start. I'm gonna let you guys follow along during this repair process right now. Angle you guys, let you guys see all the shingles. Shingle should just pop out now. Now we're gonna put the new shingle in. This is a shingle the homeowner had. It's actually not the same shingle as what's on her roof. Very close in color. Actually, I'm colorblind, so who am I to say that? Wind damage. Alrighty guys, we got the shingle in place. Now here's the new shingle in its spot. As you can see, these shingles have started to lose their granules at the point of resistance where these shingles meet. Now next windstorm, rain, any kind of inclement weather, you're gonna see these loose granules here at the top. They're gonna fall off. I'm just speeding up this process for you guys. That way you guys can see the repairability of the roof. But as you can see, on these two rows of shingles that had to be manipulated, they were damaged during the process. Now, if I go over here to these shingles that were not involved in this repair, and I do the same motion, you're not gonna see any granule loss, any granules flying off those shingles like you do on these. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. That way you guys can get a better look. Thank you for your consideration.